Hello students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions of Chemistry 2014 JEE Advanced Paper 2. The paper code which we are using is 8. The chemistry paper has 3 sections. Let us start with section 1. Section 1 has 10 questions and all of them have 4 options given. And out of the 4 given options, only one of the given options is correct. Let's have a look at question number 9. Question number 9 is from the topic of redox reactions. It says that hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2, in its reaction with KiO4 and NH2OH respectively is acting as a. Now the first thing which you all need to know is that H2O2 can act both as an oxidizing and reducing agent. This is a very standard fact from inorganic chemistry which all of you must be familiar with. Okay. Now in the first reaction we are making it react with KiO4, potassium periodate. So basically the reacting species over here is IO4 minus and it undergoes a reaction with H2O2. Okay. So in IO4 minus, as we all know that iodine is in a +7 oxidation state and there is no further possibility of oxidation. So obviously it can only get reduced. As a matter of fact, it is reduced to iodate. This is periodate and this is iodate. Iodine is in +5 oxidation state. Now since this is getting reduced, obviously H2O2 will be oxidized and it was oxidized to O2. Whenever H2O2 is oxidized, it goes to O2. So this is the reaction in first case. Obviously H2O2 is acting as a reducing agent over here because it is itself getting oxidized and the substance which themselves get oxidized are termed as reducing agent. So this is my option for first case. In second case we are making it react with NH2OH. Now your NH2OH is hydroxylamine and this on reaction with H2O2 it forms NH2OH is oxidized. It goes to N2 and whenever H2O2 is reduced it forms H2O, because again repeating myself that H2O2 can act both as oxidizing and reducing agent. So since H2O2 is getting reduced, it is acting as oxidizing agent in this case. Okay. So then what are the correct answers? The correct answer would be A to the above question, that is the reducing agent in the first case and oxidizing agent in the second case. Thank you.